Another revolution is taking place in the world. The graphic design industry is dominated by artificial intelligence and automation, which has caused firms and designers to reevaluate their careers and futures. Understanding the big picture is crucial to keeping your brand moving in the right direction and not against you, despite the obvious and legitimate worry of being replaced. What is your opinion on whether graphic artists will be replaced by artificial intelligence? That is to say, no, it won't. It will change how we conduct business. And that's what this blog's emphasis is all about. Tools that AI provides have benefits that humans cannot, and vice versa. Let's begin by disclosing 3 ways AI demonstrates its superiority. We are aware of the implications of AI-powered tools, and these tools have the potential to revolutionize and surpass current trends in graphic design in a way that is specifically applicable to the design services we offer to our clients. From website design, infographic design, branding and logo design, etc. In particular, in the current epidemic period, our core design specialization, presentation design, is one of the most sought-after design services, and AI has discovered a method to provide tremendous value. Personalization of content. According to what a visitor has previously consumed, adapting AI content is software that employs artificial intelligence to offer the appropriate content at the appropriate moment for that visitor. This particular feature's success rate depends on how well users comprehend Instagram. It is based on customer behavior and has created a steep learning curve for marketing, user experience, and design in the future. One of the first steps towards the future of graphic design is the creation of creative content. With the ability to gather information on a particular target market, businesses can not only convert more of that market but also retain both current and potential clients. With the aid of AI, the dynamics of the content are limitless, non-acquisition. Creation of variants. The value of content optimization can be seen in everything from websites to paid advertising to logo designs and brand identities. In order to create design solutions on data that improves its customers' experience and, as a result, can produce various variations, AI uses the database that is compiled in behavior, patterns, keyword researches, interests, level of commitment, and many more matrices. Accelerated pace. As a human, there is a lot of work to be done, including gathering, analyzing, and processing, and time is an enemy. Setting priorities can be a challenge, regardless matter whether you're a graphic designer on a team or a co-founder of $1 million company. With AI, you can process the rest, while concentrating on what's most crucial. It enables us to work more efficiently. The other side of the coin is as follows. 3 abilities that demonstrate heroes exist. It is a waste of human talent to undermine the human element and what it has to offer. After all, humans seek out interpersonal interaction. Around them, people feel more secure. People transact with other people. Here are 3 characteristics of human designers that help them excel at being human. Recognize subtleties and empathy. You're always told to put yourself in the shoes of your ideal customer in the business world. Aid company owners, marketers, brands, and consumers in creating emotional experiences. And even in the era of AI and visual design, this cannot be understated. Art of human creativity, capacity for creative content creation. AI and computers have the potential to analyze data at a level that includes aspects of music and art. That's not all, though. Where did this information come from is the question I have here. Can AI analyze any data without human ingenuity and initiative? Everything begins with a dot. Everything in this scenario begins with human imagination. Additionally, AI lacks inventiveness. It is merely a spy that observes, examines, and then only produces what is requested of it. Although invention might be expanded, it always starts with a human thought. Technology administration. The majority of people perceive employment as technology's biggest risk. When it comes to the likelihood that AI and robots will take over some tasks, fear is real. The other side of the coin is that despite the rapid advancement of technology, people still have to develop, control, and alter it. Future possibilities exist. We may all agree that the tools of AI have undeniable future promise, but can they subjugate people? No, not in our opinion. In essence, it's about strengthening one aspect through the other. Conclusion. Designers will leverage AI's capability for their own purposes, and businesses will seize the chance to embrace both people and technology in an effort to advance and set high standards. Imagine the rebranding opportunities you could create. Changing your logo, improving the responsiveness of your website, connecting it to your social media accounts, adding engaging interactive infographics, providing premium offers to close deals, etc. They never cease.